Welcome to GoFormz. Today we'll be learning how to set up a template-based public form. A public form allows you to share an editable form with someone who is not a licensed user within your account. To get started, we'll want to click on the Public Forms tab from the navigation bar. Next, we'll click Create. Now, there are two options when sending a public form. One as a template, which can be used multiple times for things such as surveys or questionnaires. The other option is sending a public form as a form. This option is ideal for single-use tasks such as capturing a quick signature or sending a form for approval. Today we'll focus on sending a public form as a template, so we'll click the orange button here. Next, we'll select the template we'd like to use and click the orange Next button. From here, we can select or deselect which fields on the template we want to be editable to the recipient. We can also choose whether we want this form to display in Form View or List View. We can determine if we want a PDF copy to be available upon submission, and we can set an expiration date for the link created. Once we've selected all of our settings, we can click Next to generate a public form link. Now that the public form link has been generated, we can either click to email this link, or we can copy and paste the link. As noted, form submissions will be found in the Forms tab and can be reviewed from there. Each form submitted will cost 1 credit. As we can see here, we currently have 15 credits remaining in our account. To purchase more credits, we'd want to upgrade to a paid subscription where we can purchase more credits as needed. Aside from creating a template-based public form from the Public Forms tab, you can also create one from the Templates tab by clicking the Actions button next to the desired template. You can also create one directly from the template itself by clicking into this cogwheel.